Do you have high blood pressure, a heavyweight athlete, or an extreme endurance athlete, or an androgen or other PED-enhanced athlete? The next 3 minutes will allow you to understand what medical and scientific researchers have discovered about heart enlargement and how the risks may apply to your situation. At the end, we'll also cover at a very brief glance on the Leviathan Vital Heart formula may fit it. Hi all, I'm Thomas Kirk, a product development researcher talking to you from Ruapehu, New Zealand. In July 2024, William of Leviathan Nutrition came to me with a new problem. I want to make a product for heart enlargement in bodybuilding. Both William and I knew that this was going to be a real challenge. Heart enlargement in bodybuilding is often discovered late in the process, and there are many inputs that can contribute to the cause. However, like all problems, we broke it down to the core actionables, and the learning from those is what I'm sharing with you now. So what is this heart enlargement we're concerned about? Its technical term is known as left ventricular hypertrophy, and it is developed through a process known as cardiac remodeling. But simply, left ventricular hypertrophy, what we would call LVH, is a health condition where the heart's main pumping chamber becomes thickened. And critically, this results in less ability for the heart to output oxygenated blood. This is known as reduced ejection fraction. This is commonly attributed to the enlargement of the cells that make up the heart. This is why compounds such as HGH or androgens are often villainized in the situation of heart enlargement. Likewise, for larger persons or endurance athletes that might be working their heart hard for a long period of time, but this is not the whole story. And I would argue that this is a minor factor compared to the other factors contributing to cardiac remodeling that result in the reduced ability of the heart function as it should. These factors being the buildup of scar tissue, the presence of excessive inflammation and therefore fluid buildup, as well as a compromised ability to transfer energy within the heart for proper contractile forces. And what is a common culprit to all of these factors? It is a locational, unmanaged oxidative stress within that heart area. This oxidative stress encourages the creation of scar tissue, which makes the heart less flexible, therefore less able to contract and relax as it should. It compromises mitochondrial health, making it less able to generate energy carrying units, ATP. And the unmanaged oxidative stress also encourages inflammation. This drives more fluid into the tissue, increasing the weight, so burden of how much it has to contract and relax. That also decreases the flexibility. So how does Vital Heart tackle these problems? The CoQ10, ginger, and garlic work to improve our body's capacity to neutralize the oxidative stress. The ginger, rosemary, and garlic extract work to prevent excessive inflammation, that which is beyond what is helpful. The ginger discourages the generation of scar tissue, and the rosemary also encourages the supply of fuel into the mitochondria. Finally, the CoQ10 also has function in supporting the output of mitochondria using the fuel it's got to generate the ATP. These ingredients have all been investigated in human applications and work on both preventative and restorative actions after the heart health has been compromised. I hope this has provided some valuable insight. While cell growth is a factor to the enlargement of the heart, I'd urge more attention be focused to the fibrosis, the inflammation, and the mitochondrial challenges that come about as a result of unmanaged oxidative stress in the heart. If you want to learn more about heart enlargement, other health functions, and some of the solutions that are available, Leviathan-nutrition.com can share more insight. I hope this short video was valuable to get you started. Thank you.